Hello and welcome to Why Can't I Meditate? I'm Deb Phelps from Peaceful Wellness, and if meditation has ever felt confusing, frustrating, or just not what you expected, you're not alone. Hello, friends. Last week we explored why silence can sometimes feel unfamiliar in a world filled with constant activity, noise, and stimulation. This week's episode, I'd like to offer something a little different, a quieter episode, simply a meditation practice. Nothing to learn, nothing to achieve, nowhere to get to. Just a few minutes to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. You might be seated in a chair or on your sofa, or lying down if that feels supportive. Allow your body to settle. There is nowhere else you need to be for these next few moments. Nothing you need to accomplish. Nothing you need to fix. Simply arriving. Take a slow, comfortable breath in and gently let it go. And again, breathing in and breathing out, allowing the exhale to soften the body. As best you can, give yourself permission to set down the day for a few moments. The emails, the conversations, the plans, the unfinished tasks. They'll still be there later. But for now, just this moment, notice the feeling of being supported. Perhaps by the chair beneath you, the floor beneath your feet, the surface beneath your body. Simply noticing that you do not have to hold yourself up alone. You are supported. Take another slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Now begin to notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. No need to change it. No need to breathe deeply. Just allowing the breath to breathe itself. You may notice the coolness of the inhale, the warmth of the exhale, or perhaps the gentle rise and fall of the chest or belly. Whatever you notice is enough. And if thoughts arise, that's okay. Thoughts are part of being human. You do not need to stop them. You do not need to push them away. Simply notice them. And gently return your attention to the breath. Again and again, as many times as needed. You might imagine that each breath is an invitation to come back from the future, back from the past, back from planning, back from worrying, back from doing, back to here, breathing in, here, breathing out, now. Notice any sounds around you, near sounds, distant sounds, without needing to identify them, without needing them to change. Simply allowing them to be part of this moment. And perhaps noticing the quiet spaces between sounds. Moments of stillness. Moments of openness. Moments where nothing needs your attention. Now bring awareness to the body. Notice your face. Allow the forehead to soften, the jaw to relax, the shoulders to drop just a little, the hands resting easily, the belly soft, the legs supported, the feet at ease. Nothing forced, nothing dramatic. Just allowing a little more softness where it is welcome. You may notice that the mind wanders. And if it does, simply notice and return. This returning is not a mistake. This returning is the practice. Each time you come back, you are strengthening awareness. Each time you come back, you are practicing presence. And each time you come back, you are beginning again. For these next few breaths, simply rest. Nothing to improve, nothing to figure out, nothing missing. Just breathing just being. As our practice begins to come to a close, notice how you feel right now without judging, without evaluating, simply noticing. Perhaps calmer, perhaps not, perhaps more aware, perhaps simply present. Whatever you notice is welcome. Take a deeper breath in and a long, easy breath out. Begin bringing gentle movement back into the body, perhaps wiggling the fingers, the toes, rolling the shoulders. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to open. Friends, thank you for spending these few moments with me. And remember, meditation doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be long. Sometimes all we need is a few moments to pause and come back to ourselves. And from time to time, I'll be sharing meditation episodes like this. Simple practices you can return to whenever you need a few moments to pause, breathe, and reconnect. I'm Deb Phelps, and this is Why Can't I Meditate? And until next time, take good care of yourself.